Good morning, student. Welcome to the English class of class 7. Now I am going to ask you some questions. Yes, brother. What is your name, please? Arjun Sahu. Yes. What do you want to be in future? What? Doctor. So our Arjun brother wants to be a doctor. Tanya Tisha Sahu. Yes. What do you want to be in your future? What? Doctor. We also want to be a doctor. Pragya. Yes. Pragya sister. What do you want to? Professor. Okay. She wants to be a professor. Prasad. What do you want to be? Engineer. Our Prakash brother wants to be an engineer. So in this way, that means you told me what you want to. And here, today we are going to read a poem in which we know what the poet wants to be. And the poem is I would like to be. I would like to be. So let's recite the poem. I would like to be. I would like to be a monkey and climb the tree so high, jumping from branch to branch till I reach the sky, playing and skipping all day long, dancing and eating too. I would like to be a monkey, what about you? I would like to be a tiger and roam the jungle deep, lying in sunlight all day long, warm and fast asleep, searching all night through. I would like to be a tiger. What about you? What about you? Okay, so in this poem, look, you know our poem is I would like to be. So today we will discuss the first chapter. Here, look at the words, some new words. Climb, C-L-I-M-B. Climb means go up high. Go up high. Then here, one more, and climb the tree so high, jumping from branch to branch. Branch means limb of a tree. Branch means limb of a tree. Then playing and skipping all day long. Skip. Play, you know, you play different type of games. Skip. Skip means jump lightly. Jump lightly. So dear brother and sister, in this poem, the poet in the first line, I would like to be a monkey. That means the poet wants to be a monkey. The poet wants to be a monkey. Where does he want to be a monkey? Not any other thing. What does a monkey do? You know? Have you seen a monkey? Yes. What does a monkey do? Can you say? Supreet, can you say, what does a monkey? What does a monkey do? Yes. A monkey can jump from branch to branch. It is mentioned here. Jumping from branch to branch till I reach the sky. Sky means at the top of the tree. Okay. So, a tall tree, it is a very tall tree, climbs up the tall tree and it wants to jump from branch to branch. You know, a monkey can jump from branch to branch and it is very beautiful scenery. When you see a monkey jumping from branch to branch, it is very enjoyable and reaches the sky. That means at the top of the tree. Then it also plays and skips throughout the tree. Have not you seen a monkey playing with the other monkeys and skipping throughout the day, from morning till evening? The monkeys, they are fond of playing and skipping. Okay. And also, what does the monkey do? Dance. And it's happily dances throughout. When it jumps, do different type of activities, the poet described as it dances and eats happily. That means a monkey can eat everything. Whatever it gets, it eats. And happily. Happily, yes or no? But we don't eat everything. Some of you don't take what? Different kind of vegetables. But a monkey eats everything and happily. So the poet wants to be a monkey. He likes the activities of a monkey. Okay. So in this poem, look, some words are there, and in this word, the letters are silent. When we are speaking, the letters are silent. For example, C-L-I-M-B. What is the pronunciation? Climb. B is silent when we are speaking. B is silent here. Then high. H-I-G-H. Which letter is silent? Can you say? Yes. Kumar, can you say? H-I-G-H, high. Yes. G-H is silent. Two letters, G and H. Then sunlight. Sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Swamsri, yes. Which letters are silent? Sunlight. GH here also, GH. Sunlight. You, please tell me. Abhijit Kumar. In bird, which letter is silent? Bird, B-I-R-D. But we say bird. So R, yes, R. Judge. Yes. Sakhi. Spell the word judge. J-U-D-G-E. Which letter is silent here? G, judge. D is silent. Yes, D is silent. J-U-D-G-E, judge. D is silent. Okay? I think you understood the text. Okay? Thank you very much.